Welcome to this episode of our series on business transformation. Today we tackle a topic that is fundamental to any modern organization: real-time monitoring of regulatory and ethical compliance. The increasing complexity of regulations and focus on corporate ethics has led many companies to turn to artificial intelligence to more efficiently manage compliance with regulations and ethical standards. In this video, we will explore how AI can help companies ensure that their operations stay within the legal framework and established ethical values. Real-time regulatory oversight with AI enables companies to automate the monitoring of their operations to ensure ongoing compliance with legal regulations and ethical standards. This can include regulations related to financial regulations, such as anti-money laundering or tax compliance, data protection, such as GDPR, environmental and labor regulations, among others. By automating this monitoring, any breaches can be detected immediately, allowing companies to act proactively to correct problems before they escalate into legal sanctions or reputational crises. AI is capable of processing large amounts of data at a speed that humans cannot. With tools such as machine learning, AI systems can learn patterns in data and predict when a transaction might violate regulations. Some of its key functions include predictive analytics to anticipate problems before they happen, automatic real-time alerts when a risk of non-compliance is detected, suggestions for corrective actions based on local or international regulations. An example of this would be a financial firm using AI to monitor transactions in real time and detect suspicious activity related to money laundering. The benefits of implementing automated monitoring systems are numerous. Penalty prevention. Automatic alerts help identify problems before they become serious violations. Reduced human error. Automated monitoring eliminates the inconsistencies of manual monitoring. Continuous compliance. Companies can be confident that they are aligned with regulations without the need for constant manual reviews. Cost savings. Fewer resources are spent on manual monitoring, and costly fines or legal problems are avoided. Ethical oversight is a critical aspect of modern business. AI not only ensures compliance with laws, but also monitors whether operations are aligned with the organization's ethical values. This includes monitoring diversity and fairness in hiring, compliance with sustainability policies, and transparency in the supply chain. An example would be the use of AI to ensure that suppliers comply with ethical labor standards, or to analyze recruitment data to ensure gender equity. Some leading companies are already using AI to ensure real-time regulatory and ethical compliance. HSBC uses AI to monitor compliance with financial regulations and detect potential money laundering. Google uses AI to comply with strict data privacy regulations, such as GDPR, in real time. Unilever monitors sustainability and ethical compliance in its global supply chain using AI tools. These examples show how artificial intelligence not only helps to prevent legal risks, but also strengthens the reputation of companies committed to ethics. Real-time monitoring of regulatory and ethical compliance is essential for companies looking to operate safely, efficiently, and responsibly. If you want to implement AI-based solutions to ensure your business stays aligned with regulations and corporate values, contact me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you in this transformation process. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn more about how advanced technology can optimize business management.